This is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, a flagship that isn't just chasing big numbers, but trying to
Minimalist look.
deliver a
In
phone
fact,
that
another
feels
reason
powerful, reliable, and usable every single day. With a massive new camera system, one of the brightest displays on any phone, and a huge silicon carbon battery, it looks impressive on paper. The 17 Ultra feels solid and premium immediately. It uses Dragon Crystal Glass 3, a metal frame, and full IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, which adds real confidence in daily use. The large circular camera module is balanced well, and the movable camera ring adds tactile camera control without feeling gimmicky. Despite its size, the phone feels engineered, not bulky. On the front is a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate and a sharp 1200 by 2608 resolution. The standout feature is brightness. With up to 3,500 nits peak brightness, outdoor visibility is excellent, whether you're navigating, filming, or watching HDR content in direct sunlight. It's smooth, vibrant, and comfortable to look at all day. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on a 3nm process, paired with 12 or 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and fast UFS 4.1 storage. In daily use, everything feels instant. Multitasking is effortless, apps stay in memory, and animations remain smooth even after long sessions. For gaming, heavy titles run at high settings with stable frame rates and controlled thermals, performance that stays consistent, not just impressive on benchmarks. The phone runs Android 16 with HyperOS 3. The interface feels cleaner and more mature, smoother animations, better battery optimization, and genuinely useful AI features. The ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, and the stereo speakers are loud and balanced for media and gaming. This is where the Xiaomi 17 Ultra stands out. The main camera is a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor with Leica Summilux optics, allowing in far more light than typical smartphone cameras. Photos look detailed, natural, and consistent, especially in daylight. The highlight is the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto, offering 3.2 times to 4.3 times optical zoom, covering roughly 75 to 100 millimeters, excellent for portraits and everyday zoom. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide keeps edge distortion low and detail high. Low-light photography is handled by Xiaomi's AI night processing, preserving shadows instead of over-brightening scenes. Video recording goes up to 8K, with very stable 4K at 60 frames per second, fast autofocus, and reliable exposure. The 50-megapixel front camera also delivers sharp selfies and strong video quality. Inside is a massive 6,800 mAh silicon carbon battery. In real use, that translates to a full heavy use day, or close to 2 days with moderate use. Charging supports 90 watts wired, 50 watts wireless, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging, making top-ups quick and stress-free. After daily use, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra proves itself through consistency. The display stays readable anywhere, performance doesn't drop over time, battery life removes charging anxiety, and the camera delivers results you can trust. If your priorities are value, reliability, and long-term performance, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra stands as one of the most complete Android flagships. The Pixel 10 Pro XL. It's bigger, smarter, and packed with more AI power than any phone we've ever seen. Google's design language has matured. The Pixel 10 Pro XL looks familiar but more polished. The iconic camera bar stays, but it's slimmer, cleaner, and flows naturally into the matte aluminum frame. The frosted glass back feels premium, hides fingerprints, and adds grip. IP68 water resistance and Gorilla Armor protection keep it durable. It's modern, minimal, and unmistakably Pixel. Front and center, you get a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with QHD plus resolution and a smooth 1 to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's sharp, vivid, and insanely bright. HDR video looks cinematic, and the new ambient tone mapping adjusts colors dynamically to match your environment. Touch response is instant, haptics feel tight and premium, and the under-display fingerprint sensor is finally lightning fast. This screen sets a high bar for 2025 flagships. The Pixel 10 Pro XL runs Android 15, powered by Google's new Tensor G5 chip, the company's most efficient yet. It's paired with 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, delivering quick load times and flawless multitasking. But what really defines this phone is Gemini Nano, Google's on-device AI engine. It summarizes emails, edits photos intelligently, rewrites text, and even filters spam calls, all without sending data to the cloud. The Pixel 10 Pro XL packs a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide. Combined, they deliver stunning results across all lighting conditions. Daylight shots are crisp, with that signature pixel contrast and perfectly balanced color science. Shadows retain detail, and highlights never blow out. Low light? Night sight is faster and more natural than ever. Portraits look lifelike, with beautiful depth separation and accurate skin tones. No over-smoothing. For video, Google finally steps up. You get 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and Advanced Video Boost 2.0, which uses AI-based tone mapping and real-time stabilization. Even handheld footage looks cinematic. The 5,100 mAh battery easily lasts a full day and then some, even with heavy camera and AI use. Google's adaptive battery learning continues to get smarter, predicting your habits and managing power efficiently. Charging speeds finally match the competition: 65-watt wired, 35-watt wireless, and reverse wireless for accessories. 15 minutes on the charger gives you roughly 50% power, which is impressive for a phone this size. If you want cutting-edge AI features, phenomenal cameras, smooth Android performance, and a premium design, absolutely. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL isn't just smart, it's confident, capable, and one of most complete smartphones.